guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bella, and as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be making a DIY greens deep conditioner to strengthen my hair. The ingredients I'm going to be using today is avocado, kiwi, aloe, banana, spinach, olive oil, and honey. I just cut an avocado and a kiwi in half, and now I'm going to be cutting an aloe to my desired amount. Some people cut their aloe differently by cutting it in half and just scooping it out, but this is how I cut it. I just get a piece like this and I cut the bottom and the top just to get that nice juicy middle piece. Seeing all these green fruits together are so satisfying, and that's what gave me the idea to make this greens deep conditioner. I will be using about 1 cup of spinach, a half of an avocado, a whole kiwi, some aloe, and half of a banana. After blending it all together, I will be straining it because although I didn't use a banana mask before, I've heard that there are little pieces in banana that just get everywhere. So I will be straining that, but the little black pieces from the kiwi are way too small to strain. So I'm just gonna have to deal with that. I forgot to add the honey with the rest of the stuff in the cup, but luckily it doesn't matter. So now I'm just going to be putting 2 tablespoons of honey. My hair is very dry and it's in need of a natural deep conditioner. For my shampoo, I'm using the Garnier Smoothing Treat shampoo. I purposely got this because it has sulfates in it. Now, you know all curly girls tell you don't use sulfates and stuff, but if you really want a deep cleanse, then sulfate is the way to go. But don't use sulfates every wash day. This is my hair. It's very dry right now and it's very matted at the roots. My ends aren't as matted as my roots are, and my scalp is very itchy. I just really need a deep cleanse. I just washed my hair and I put it into 4 sections. I really am impressed with the shampoo because it didn't strip my hair despite having sulfates in it, but I really did feel the cleanse on my scalp and I didn't feel any buildup. Also, I really love how the ingredients are really easy to read and it has where it came from and the percentage of it. So yeah, I'm really impressed with Garnier. Now I'm going to be putting my deep conditioner on my freshly washed hair. Avocado and kiwi have a ton of vitamins and minerals, which helps with hair growth and blood circulation in the scalp. Both spinach and aloe have vitamins A, B, C, and E, which are essential to scalp and hair health. Both banana and honey alleviates dandruff and adds shine to the hair. There are so many benefits to all of these ingredients, but if I talked about all of them, this video would be extremely long. In my description, I will be listing more benefits of these ingredients. I'm done putting it all on my hair and my scalp. Now I'm going to put a cap on for about 30 minutes to an hour. It is really heavy on my hair. As you can see, it's weighed down and there's little pieces everywhere, even though I strained it. I just knew the pieces were inevitable. My hair was sitting in this cap for well over an hour. Now I'm going to be washing all of this product out really thoroughly to get all the small pieces out of my hair. Then I'm going to style it with the flaxseed gel. If you haven't seen my video on how I made the flaxseed gel and my other natural products, then the link will be down in the description. This mask was definitely a success. When I dyed my hair, it became weak and brittle and it kept breaking every time I detangled it. And before I shampooed my hair today, when I detangled it, it also kept breaking and it was very weak. Also, when I styled it, in my video, you can see how frizzy it was. It wasn't defined at all. So now you can definitely tell the difference. My hair is stronger, and when I was detangling it, it wasn't breaking. So yeah, I'm very pleased with this mask. Also, it smells pretty good. If you haven't seen my video of when I dyed my hair, I will link that down in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below. In my description, I will be linking other hair videos that I made. Don't forget to check that out. Bye!
1, 2.